Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you how to activate your Minecraft Java Edition account the easy way. Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you how to activate your Minecraft Java Edition account the easy way. Getting started with Minecraft Java Edition is an exciting journey, and activating your account correctly ensures that you can enjoy all the amazing features without any hassle. Let's dive into the simple steps needed to make your Minecraft experience seamless. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Minecraft website. Make sure you're visiting the authentic site to avoid any security risks or scams. Next, if you don't already have a Microsoft account, you should create one since Minecraft Java Edition requires a Microsoft account for authentication after the migration from Mojang accounts. To do this, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button and follow the prompts by entering your email address or phone number and choosing a strong password. Once your Microsoft account is ready, return to the Minecraft site and select the option to purchase or redeem a Minecraft Java Edition account. Log in using your Microsoft credentials. After logging in, you may need to enter a unique key if you have purchased the game through an official retailer or redeem a gift code. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, entering any necessary information precisely. Once the key or code is confirmed, your Minecraft Java Edition account activation will begin. You may be prompted to verify your email or complete some security checks to finalize the process. After successful activation, download the official Minecraft launcher from the Minecraft website if you haven't already. Install the launcher on your computer, then open it and sign in with your Microsoft account. From here, you can access your Minecraft Java Edition and enjoy playing right away. Remember to keep your login details safe and never share them with others to protect your account. If you ever have trouble, the official Minecraft support page is a helpful resource. Following these steps guarantees you a smooth activation experience without frustration. Now that your Minecraft Java Edition account is activated and ready, you can explore countless worlds and unleash your creativity without limits. So gear up and dive into the adventure that awaits.